I say, my mother got Clarendon one day. Well, my mother said her family come from Clarendon. She got Clarendon. I said she carried on a piece of yam. I said the yam dry, so this I choke me. Yeah, my mother doesn't eat like dumpling and mackerel. You see them, man? I dumpling them. I eat dumpling, you never know. But she don't want no more, so I have to eat it because nothing can waste. I soon come. I really not get a soda. Alright. So I asked to know, remember if you don't wanted to hear my controversial opinion. And before me tell you what it is, here is a disclaimer. I remember watch over this one. Shana Granny. Here's a disclaimer. There are some persons who, when you're sharing your opinion with them, they get very defensive because them see your difference in opinion as a challenge for debate, because them have for them own opinion, and then when you share yours, it's like a battle of the bands now for see who for opinion supposed to be right. Remember, we already know, everybody is entitled to their own opinion, and this is mine. I mean, asking if you don't want to know. So, Mother's Day. Let's talk about it, okay? Because the other day, you know, say Mother's Day gone today, Tuesday, yeah. So you know, say Mother's Day gone from Sunday. So and my mother and my brother me here talking and me gone enough. Or my mother and my sister. Me here talking and me gone enough of myself in them conversation. But basically my whole point was Mother's Day is a myth. So that me tell my brother. I say Mother's Day is a myth. And before I get to attacking me, remember is my opinion and I'm going to explain further, right? This is what I said to my mother. And look here, nothing say me not celebrate my mother, you know. Let me explain what I explain. But what I said to her was, remember, you know, I'm just attack how I feel. Nobody never really said we. I'm say we because I am a mother. Nobody never really said we go breed still. You understand me? I said to my mother, say me as an egg, I go and live in your fallopian tube. But this egg live, me remember. Me I go and exist in your ovaries. And me never come to you in a one dream and say, Mommy, come on. Time for have me now. You understand me? And I said to her, say, look here, my man, that is cold and cruel world we're full of so much corruption and violence and wickedness. And me I say it in a joke, but I said to her, say, God know if me didn't know say them wickedness I'm that bad, you know. But I tell her, say, boy, I make me go and sim a little bit before my ban. But I say that to say, I don't think children should feel obligated to celebrate their mother on Mother's Day. And I don't think mothers should expect their children to celebrate. You realize me I put some of them word in an ear quote, to celebrate them on Mother's Day. If you ask me, the person celebrating mothers on Mother's Day should be like the man them will breed you. You understand me? And them turn you in a mother. Now don't get me wrong, and that's what I'm telling you in the beginning of the video. Saying I feel like I not celebrate my mother because I feel like it should be left up to your child's discretion. You understand me? If you know, I don't want to say if, like you and your child have a good relationship, or if they're in the position to do it and they want to celebrate it, they want to get you a gift or something, fine. You understand me? But I don't think they should feel obligated to do it. I'm use the word obligated because you have some mother will feel like the persons I know personally will feel as though if them child don't get them something on Mother's Day, them want dry up, them want vex. And I don't think that should be the case. I was about to say, seeing as children never asked to be born, I feel as though whatever a mother does, she do it because of that unconditional love she's supposed to have for your child. Of course, everybody wants to feel appreciated. And if you're putting in constantly, I give to somebody, you want to feel it being reciprocated. Understand what I say? But I just feel as though, as a mother, I hear duty that to do all what you do. So I just don't feel like we should have a one day where we say, okay, a Mother's Day, so everything for the mother them today. Because as me say, we breed, we go breed, you understand me? When I did that shit out in my ovary, she never come dream me. She never come dream me. I don't want to go like I don't want to come attack me for my opinion because the owner say I don't want to hear her. I say me I tell you so. I tell you. And remember, I know, don't make the whole message fly over your head. I said it. I think it should be left up to your child's discretion. Because some people really want vex for them thing that and me not think that right. I don't think that's right. Whatever sacrifice you make, whatever struggle you go through, or whatever for raise your pitney, for make sure so them have a better life, I feel like as a mother, are your duty. You understand me? Because at this point in my life, anything when me have to give up, or whatever me have to go through for make sure say I have a better life, me I go do it. I don't feel like I need, I'm going to say no, me don't feel like me need she to say, oh mommy, yeah, I do a great thing. It would be nice to hear that. But I don't feel like I need to hear it because guess what? Me bring her into this world, she is my responsibility. So even if me not get no praises from her for it, I have to do what I have to do because she's my child and I just want the best for her, whether or not she got boots me up for it, you understand me? So the overall takeaway is, I don't think it's up to the children. That is what I'm trying to say. I don't think it should be up to the children for say, yeah, I'm gonna buy you one present or something for Mother's Day. See it, yeah? If you ask me, we the parents, because on Mother's Day, I look for area, I go through my phone and I look for some picture from when I down at hospital and when I just born. I say, look how my daughter turned me into a mother. I nearly most want to celebrate she for turning me into a mother and for changing me as much as she did. And then the next thing what bother me is we're so focused on Mother's Day that when a member said the whole month of May is Child's Month. You understand me, some? Yeah, some feel about it. Well, I'm not gonna kill me for my opinion. I won't ask my feet. I'm gonna close out that video now. Because I know some of the Bex. Remember, I said at the beginning of the video, don't get defensive. We don't have to have the same opinion, right? And you don't have to respect my opinion. But everybody still get to have one. And since it's a free world, free speech kind of thing, we're free for come say what me I say, no. So, how you feel about it? You disagree with me and say you think me I chat foolishness? Drop it down in the comments below. Me I end out the video. Bye!